Hello, I'm currently here in my hometown, which is what we call Ilocos Sur, Santa Maria. So this is one of the UNESCO preserved heritage for Ilocos Sur. Now, tara na, malakat na ta diri sa Ilocos Sur, Santa Maria. Welcome to Santa Maria. And this is the old church. Dito pinanganak ang nanay at tatay. Ay, nanay ko lang. Ay, tatay ko pala. Ayan. So this is really preserved. Ayun. Medyo nakakapagod lang kasi it's 100 stairs above. Grabe. Ito yung eksena. Tagal ko lang hindi nakapunta dito, guys. Ayan. See? Tanaw na tanaw yung Ilocos Sur. So, ito ang simbahan ng Santa Maria. This is really famous. And this is UNESCO preserved. Ayan. Simbahang Baroque sa Pilipinas na itinala noong 1993. Ayan. So, Baroque. Let's go here. This is the church. Ganda po dito. And this is the other side of the church.